What's up, guys? Here is the Science Evolution Timeline presented to you by yours truly, Ajel of Year 6 Willow class. The Big Bang Theory happened 13.8 billion years ago. The Big Bang Theory is a leading explanation about how the universe began. At its simplest, it says the universe as we know it started with a small singularity, then inflated over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos that we now know today. The Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. Over millions of years, gravity pulls rocks and dust together to form the Earth, which is hot and toxic. The temperature is over 12,000 degrees Celsius. The Earth is a boiling bowl of lava and liquid rock. The birth of the Moon happened 4.5 billion years ago. The debris from the collision of another young planet and the Earth forms the Moon. The ocean was formed 3.9 billion years ago. For over 20 million years, water-rich meteorites bombarded the Earth. Water is accumulated to form ocean. Bacteria first appeared 3.5 billion years ago. Life first begins with single-celled creatures like bacteria. Colonies of bacteria in shallow sea start photosynthesizing to transform carbon dioxide or CO2 and water or H2O into glucose and releasing oxygen, which is the essence of life. Single-celled organisms made their first appearance. The continent took shape 1.5 billion years ago. Earth's crust is broken into plates. Movement of plates creates islands and oceans. Over 400 million years, a supercontinent takes shape. Snowball Earth happened 750 million years ago. Snowball Earth is the longest and coldest ice age. Heat from the Earth's core rips the crust into pieces. The exposed rocks beneath the crust start absorbing carbon dioxide or CO2. The atmospheric temperature drops to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Primitive bacteria evolved 540 million years ago. Ocean is now filled with planktons, worms, sponges, and many more multicellular organisms. The first ice age happened 443 million years ago. First mass extinction occurs caused by an ice age. 85% of the sea life is wiped out. Plants appeared on land 434 million years ago. The first primitive plants evolved from green algae along the edges of lakes and moved onto land. The ozone layer was formed 375 million years ago. Ozone layer is formed, blocking the sun's harmful radiations. Land now becomes favorable for life. The first amphibian. The earliest amphibian discovered to date is Algernon, found in late Devonian rocks of Scotland, dating to approximately 368 million years ago. The later Paleozoic saw a great diversity of amphibians, ranging from small legless swimming forms or Astopoda to bizarre horned forms or Nectridia. The second mass extinction happened 359 million years ago. Second mass extinction killed 75% of all species, caused by changes in sea level, asteroid impacts, climate change, and new kinds of plants messing with the soil. First, reptiles. The earliest known reptile is the Hylonomus lely. It is also the first animal known to have fully adapted to life on land. Hylonomus lived about 315 million years ago, during the time we call the late Carboniferous period. This time period is also known as the Pennsylvanian and as the Coal Age. The third and greatest mass extinction, otherwise known as the Permian mass extinction, occurred 248 million years ago. It's called the Great Dying since a staggering 96% of all species was wiped out. The earliest dinosaurs appeared 225 million years ago. Earliest dinosaur, prosauropods, and the first mammals appear. The fourth mass extinction happened 200 million years ago. Fourth mass extinction occurs, wiping out almost half the species on Earth. This marks the beginning of the dinosaurs' golden age. Diversity in the animal kingdom happened between 150 to 80 million years ago. Diversity in the animal kingdom, first ancestors of birds, Archaeopteryx, earliest bees, snakes, and ants appear. Mammals live underground to hide from dinosaurs. First flowering plants appear. They began changing the way the world looked almost as soon as they appeared on Earth, about 130 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period. That's relatively recent in geologic time. If all Earth's history were compressed into an hour, flowering plants would exist for only the last 90 seconds. Dinosaurs were wiped out by asteroids 66 million years ago. An asteroid bigger than Mount Everest hits the Earth and causes the fifth mass extinction, wiping out the non-flying dinosaurs. The first human-like animals appear. The latest common ancestor of humans and chimpanzees is estimated to have lived between roughly 10 to 5 million years ago. The last ice age happened 2.6 million years ago. The variation of sunlight reaching Earth is one cause of ice ages. Over thousands of years, the amount of sunshine reaching Earth changes by quite a lot, particularly in the northern latitudes, the area near and around the North Pole. Modern humans appeared 250,000 years ago. Homo sapiens are the earliest form of man, and we are the evolved version of Homo sapiens. learning, and have a great day. Cheers.